Good evening to all. First of all, I would like to convey my gratitude to Muslim Students Federation of Tamil Nadu who took initiative to organize a panel discussion on current issues of Lakshadweep, major issues of Lakshadweep. When we talk about Lakshadweep, Lakshadweep is well known for its beauty of nature, culture, heritage, legacy and hospitality. On November 1st, 1956, Lakshadweep became Union Territory. It has been governed 35 administrators and all are keen to serve the people of Lakshadweep and they all are highly qualified officers. But now, in the history of Lakshadweep, first time a politician of a contractor who is appointed as the administrator of Lakshadweep. When we have a look on Praful Ghoda Patel, the new administrator, we can easily understand he is a controversy king and also he has a criminal background. Since Patel appointed as the administrator of Lakshadweep, it has suggested many policy changes such as in structuring port authority with Bepur port and Cochin port. It's diverted to New Mangalore port. All dairy farms on island run by Animal Husbandry Department were ordered to be shut down with cattle to be auctioned off and the dairy products insisted to be imported from Gujarat based Amul. And also he lifted the alcohol restrictions from the island. And also he demolished the coastal shed of fishermen. Everyone know that Praful Ghoda Patel and government implementing the RSS agendas in Lakshadweep. When we have a look on the draft he has in 5 months, like prevention of antisocial activity regulation, Panchayat regulation, reservation of animal regulations, Lakshadweep Development Authority regulation. We can see the draft he is implementing in Lakshadweep is based on a secret agenda and that is RSS agendas. We all know that Lakshadweep Administrator Praful Ghoda Patel is implementing RSS agenda in Lakshadweep, the name of development. Also he is harassing the people of Lakshadweep by the name of development. There is no guarantee of a people's life and properties because everything is destroyed by this administrator. Geographically, Lakshadweep is 32.3 square kilometer area. When we are divided into island by island, we all know that 3.2 or maybe 4.8 square kilometer every island. So in this island, you are going to implement a highway, a coastal highway you are going to implement. For what purpose? You already know that a lots of people who were crowded in the area of coastal area. So you are destroying the fishermen's shed and their houses for building with the name of development. Everyone know that, sir, you are doing very wrong thing. You are not doing any development in Lakshadweep. You are destroying the people. There is no protection of life and there is no protection of wealth. Everything is destroyed by you. You are implementing your dirty agendas in Lakshadweep. You just remember one thing, sir, that we are not from UP. We are from Lakshadweep. We are islanders and we are well educated and we know how to protest you. Definitely we will oppose and we will protest against you. I have only one thing to say, that I stand in solidarity with my people of Lakshadweep who have fallen prey to fascist policy enforced upon them by the new administrator and the central government. I request you all, please protest against the administrator who seeks to destroy the culture and heritage of Lakshadweep. Stand with Lakshadweep, save Lakshadweep. Thank you so much.